This bite-sized employment law video is on work status. The three relevant work status categories are employees, workers and the self-employed. Workers and employees have certain rights, such as the right to the national minimum wage and paid annual leave. Employees, who would also fall within the worker category, have additional rights, such as the right to statutory sick pay and protection from unfair dismissal, which is usually subject to having 2 years continuous service. The self-employed have none of these rights. Work status is not determined by the wording of the contract. It's what's happening in practice that counts. For a contract to form, there needs to be mutual obligation, regardless of the type of work status. What that means is that both sides must have a requirement to honour their side of the bargain. An example could be a cleaner agreeing to clean a house for a sum of money. Each party would have a requirement to fulfil their side of the bargain. To be a worker, the person must be providing the work or services personally rather than sending someone in their place. The person must also not be providing the work or services as a business, but rather working for someone else. Again, the work or services must be done personally, but there also needs to be a stronger element of control. Control could mean, for example, whether a person might be subject to disciplinary procedures or whether the person may have to wear a uniform. There may be other factors to consider too. Following a review of working practices, the government proposes improving the clarity of work status, including considering aligning the employment status framework for the purpose of employment rights and tax, which is different. For more information, do visit my website. Remember that this video is for guidance only and should not be relied upon for specific advice. Also, the law can change. And finally, please subscribe to my channel for updates.